Whether you're leasing or financing, Mercedes-Benz Financial Services first-class protection products provide you with peace of mind. Each product is designed to address a specific need, allowing you to choose the products that match your needs and lifestyle, and with a cost that can be easily added to your monthly payment. First-class Wheel and Tire Protection Plus will help cover the cost to replace your wheels and tires damaged by covered road hazards, and the cost to repair cosmetic wheel damage, as well as some reimbursement towards towing or car rental. If your vehicle is declared a total loss if stolen or from an accident, First-Class Guaranteed Auto Protection will help cover the difference between the amount you owe and what the insurance company will cover. When returning your lease vehicle, First-Class Lease Protection helps cover certain damage that goes beyond normal wear and use, ensuring a smoother lease end experience. First-Class Term Protection covers the cost of parts and labor to repair or replace a set of brake pads, a wheel alignment, and an annual tire balancing. And if you choose premium coverage, it also includes a set of front and rear rotors. First-Class Paintless Dent Repair, well, it covers the repair of minor dents and dings without disturbing the original factory finish, allowing you to maintain the value and beauty of your vehicle. If your windshield is at risk of damage from rocks or other road debris, choose First-Class Windshield Protection, which is available for both new and used vehicles. First-Class Interior and Exterior Protection helps keep your car always looking new by using a state-of-the-art nano-ceramic coating on interior and exterior surfaces. First-Class Key Protection not only helps cover the cost to replace your vehicle key in the event that it's lost, damaged, or stolen, it also extends to your house keys as well. Mercedes-Benz Premier Prepaid Maintenance locks in the cost of certain required maintenance services on a range of items, including oil and filter changes, cabin dust filters, wiper blades, multi-point inspections, and fluid checks and corrections. Help maintain your vehicle's market value and vehicle integrity with Mercedes-Benz Extended Limited Warranty, coverage that extends beyond the manufacturer's original new vehicle limited warranty. So as you embark on your Mercedes-Benz journey, embracing the best parts of life, know that your tailored collection of first-class protection products gives you peace of mind coverage even when there's the occasional bump in the road ahead. For more information, contact your local Mercedes-Benz dealership.